kung paano mag-apply ng salary loan through SSS. So, open nyo lang si SSS portal. Then, ida-direct niya kayo sa login details. So, enter niyo lang yung username, ID, and password. Then, after that, magsisend sila ng OTP sa registered contact number nyo. So, after natin ma-enter yung OTP, so yan, click niyo lang yung OK. And then, ito na yung lalabas na yung dashboard niyo kay SSS. So, we are applying for salary loan. So, hanapin lang natin yung loans. So, salary loan yung hahanapin natin. Okay, so after click niyo salary loan, lalabas sa inyo to. May mga instruction dyan na step 1, 2, 3, and 4. I-scroll natin pababa so makikita na dyan yung employer's details ninyo. So now check natin yung loanable amount. So maximum po nila is 20,000, minimum is 3,000. But of course, depende po yan sa magiging approval ni SSS. Kasi it depends on the contribution din po. The next po is dapat meron na kayong registered or enrolled disbursement account kasi dyan po iti-transfer ni SSS yung loan proceeds once approved na yung salary application or salary loan application. Then just click next para sa next process or next step. Okay, so dito ipapakita na SSS yung monthly schedule of your amortization. By the way guys, it's good for 24 months. So, makikita niyo dyan kung kailan kayo dapat mag-start ng payment. Hindi siya automatically the following month after ng application ninyo, usually after 2 or 3 months. Pag okay na, scroll natin pababa. And then, i-check lang ulit natin yung maliit na box sa left side. So, make sure po na naiintindihan ninyo mabuti yung instructions and then agreements na SSS. And then, click next. Okay, so sa next step, papakita ni SSS yung loan proceeds computation nyo. So, hindi po siya makukuha. Meron po siyang service fee and other deduction. Then, basahin na po ulit natin yung mga certification, terms and conditions. And pag okay na, click po ulit natin yung maliit na box sa left side. And then, the review, bago po i-click yung submit. Then, automatically po, diretso na kay employer yung to certify.